Welcome to CONEXPO 2023. I'm Steve Adamczyk, Hyundai Construction Equipment's National Service Manager. Behind me here at our massive Hyundai booth, you can see on top of our normal lineup of equipment that we typically bring, we're also using this opportunity to showcase a couple key new pieces, which include our HL 985 two-pass wheel loader, our articulated dump truck, and also our skid steer lineup. So come on down and check us out.
I like Hyundai as we have ran our own Hyundai for 8 years now and we've never had any issues with it. It's a very reliable machine and very comfortable. Really like them.
Hi, I'm Nick Moynihan with Quality Fleet Service. I'm the president of the company and we're a Hyundai construction equipment dealer in South Hadley, Mass. We're here in Las Vegas at the Hyundai booth, just going over all the new products that have come out, all the new series of excavators that are here, the new loaders, the new 985, which is going to be killer for the heavy aggregate and quarry market. If you haven't had a chance to check out Hyundai's two new zero emissions machines, we have the fully electric mini excavator and the hydrogen rubber tire excavator. Come check them out.